guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I am back with another closure quick weave install for you guys, and I'm going to be featuring one of my favorite beauty supply store brands. Here, this is the Ali Natural brand's hair, and I got a all-in-one pack, 3 bundles, and a free HD lace closure. This pack came with 18, a 20, and a 22-inch, and a 14-inch closure, and the closure is pre-pucked with baby hairs, and I got the body wave curl pattern this time. The last time you see me use this hair, I got the curly hair, and I think the body wave pattern is my fave. This is me showing you my braid down pattern. Super simple and easy, and I'm showing you products that you're going to need. Hairspray, this is the ultimate thing you should get. Weave wonder wrap protection, some bonding glue, lace glue, alcohol to make sure your scalp is clean, and an Nairobi foamy mousse if you want to use that to put all over your hair or do your edges. Right now you see me just applying this first layer of protection on my hair, which is the hairspray. I'm cleaning off my scalp right now using the alcohol, making sure my edges are all out the way. And the reason I cleaned off that area, because I have makeup on, you want to make sure that area, your hairline, is super clean, free of oils, so that way your bald cap can stick on really well when you go to apply, like I'm doing right now, and also so your closure can stick to your head when you go apply your closure. Now, just give a disclaimer, guys, I will not be showing the complete install, showing the closure, because I ruined the closure. I'm so hurt, y'all. I ruined the closure because I don't know where my head was when I was doing my hair. Like, honestly, I was kind of cloudy yesterday recording, but I placed my closure too far back. So y'all already have a big forehead, as you can see, which can be a blessing and a curse, but I have a big forehead, and so I placed my closure back too far, and it gave me a forehead. My forehead went from 4 to 8. Y'all, it looked so crazy. So word of advice, make sure that when you place your closure or your frontals on your hair, that you match the hairline on the frontal up with your hairline. Wherever your hairline stops or ends and begins or whatever, that's where you want to match your closure up too. Do not make the mistake I did and give yourself a 5 head, because you can't fix it. I tried and it looks crazy. So learned my lesson. So right now, as I did my bald cap, I applied my glue protection all over my head and let it dry. And as you can see right now, I'm cutting off the excess cap, and that cap ain't going nowhere. So don't worry about it rolling back, because if you follow the method that I just used, you don't have to worry about the cap falling back. And also, you don't have to worry about no glue getting on your hair now. So yes, I want to go ahead and let y'all watch the rest of the install. I just wanted to come in and let y'all know what I was doing. Say hey, drop some comments of suggestions of videos you guys want to see, please. I don't want y'all to get bored with me, and I don't want to get bored with y'all. So leave me some suggestions down below. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Stay beautiful and blessed. Mwah.
Like Paris, that's grounded. Have you seen different colors? Let me take you high. Look up in the sky, make you pop off like fireworks. Yeah, pop off like fireworks. Yeah, girl, you got me going. Yeah, pop off like. Yeah. No. She crazy, I like it. Get it under my skin, baby, let me tuck you in. Put you to sleep right, persuasive, enticing. Burn your body like a match, pop like a black cat, light up the whole night. Every time my baby come around me, she can't come and get it. Put her down like Paris, that's grounded. Have you seen different colors? Let me take you high. Look up in the sky, make you pop off like fireworks. Yeah, pop off like fireworks. Yeah, girl, you got me going.
And here is the closure that I completely ruined, y'all. So sad about it. But these closures in this pack are so nice. They come pre-plucked with baby hairs, and you do have to apply some makeup onto the closure so it can match your skin tone. But other than that, these closures are really great quality considering how much you pay for the hair. Like, I'm shook, and considering that it's synthetic, it's a really good quality type of closure. The knots on the closure were not as dark as the knots on the previous install that I did using this hair, so I was happy about that. And right now you just see me marking off where my closure ends and begins. Y'all, I did all of that and still placed my closure on there wrong. Like, you want to place your closure onto your head and make sure that the hairlines, your hairline matches up with the hairline on the closure. So don't make the mistake I did, guys, because I ruined the closure by doing that. And also my hot comb. I bought a new hot comb, y'all, and the hot comb was way too hot. It was not a good quality hot comb. I actually threw it away. The hot comb, it burnt the closure. It did. So I won't be showing the end result, showing the whole closure on, but that's okay because I have other videos I'm going to link in the description box or in the comments, or I'm going to have an iCard pop up so you can click on those videos to watch. But this closure was better than the closure I used from the last time when I used his brand hair. So I'm going to shut up and let y'all continue to watch what I do. But I did ruin the closure, and you won't be seeing the end result of the closure, but I will show you the end result of the install